Diringgin ko ang payo ng aking mga magulang. Susundin ko ang mga tuntunin ng paaralan. Tutuparin ko ang mga tungkulin ng sa mamayang makabayan. Naglilingkod, nag-aaral at nananalangin ng buong katapatan. Iaalay ko ang aking buhay, pangarap, pagsisikap sa bansang Pilipinas.
Incorporated, with all rights and prerogative, I hereby present to you the candidates for graduation and the completers for the academic year 2025-2026. Mr. Bautista from the elementary level, here are the 15 boys. And 2 girls with a total number of 17 elementary candidates for graduation. And Mr. Bautista from the junior high school level, here are the 14 boys and 7 girls with a total number of 21 junior high school completers. They have satisfactorily completed the requirements for curriculum prescribed by the Department of Education for the school year 2025-2026. Dr. Alvin Bautista, I now ask for your confirmation.
Good morning to everyone. Thank you, Sir M. With the power and authority vested upon by the Department of Education as the school principal and board trustees of the Charles Reed Foundation Inc., and through the presentation of the school assistant to the principal, I hereby confirm your completion and graduation. Congratulations.
Graduating students, as your class valedictorian, I congratulate all of us with utmost thanksgiving from the bottom of my heart. Marami pong salamat sa inyong lahat. Sa Diyos, ang lahat ng pinakamataas na mapuri at pinakamalalim na pasasalamat. Again, I am Jayden Laurito Arbe, your grade 6 class valedictorian. Thank you, and to God be the glory.